Hello dear students, welcome to Chem Class Academy. Today I am going to explain open system in thermodynamic. The topic is open system in thermodynamic. Last class you learned about types of systems in thermodynamic. The system is a observable part of universe and remaining part of universe is surroundings and observable part of universe is called system. So system and surroundings is a part of universe. The types of system is open system and closed system and isolated system, heterogeneous and homogeneous systems. But today I am going to explain open system in thermodynamics. See definition about open system. An open system is a type of thermodynamic system is said to be open if it can exchange of mass and energy both exchange of mass and energy with its surroundings. And also simply we call the both means the mass and energy exchange between system and surroundings is called open system. So is called open system. And both means mass and energy. The mass and energy exchange between system and surroundings is called open system. So in this open system, the both mass and energy exchange between system and surroundings is called open system. Example, you can take water in a beaker. It is a beaker. Take some water in beaker. Beaker is open system. So observe here, it is possible add water. Add water to beaker, and also possibility remove the water. So in this case, it is possibility add water, and it is also possible to remove the water. It's mean add water and remove the water. So the water is add to beaker and remove the water. It's mean the exchange of mass. The exchange of mass. So it's mean exchange of mass. Exchange of mass. The water is add to beaker and remove the water. So it means exchange of mass. So it is represent as delta m not equal to 0. And also boiling water and cooling water. It means the exchange of energy. The exchange of energy. It means exchange of energy. So the water is boiling and cooling. Boiling and cooling, exchange of energy. It is represent delta E not equal to 0. Delta E not equal to 0 means it is open system. It is system and it is surrounding. Means other than system is surroundings. So the mass and energy exchange between system and surroundings. So it is open system. Then if you heat to beaker, if supply heat to beaker, and the volume of water changes due to evaporate. Water is evaporate. So the volume changes. So it means the mass and energy, the mass and energy exchange between system and surroundings. So it is open system and it is possible add the water and remove the water. So it means exchange of mass, means exchange of matter. So delta m not equal to 0. And also boiling and cooling water, it's mean the exchange of energy. So it is represent to delta E not equal to 0. So when you supply heat to beaker, then the volume of water changes due to the water is evaporated. So both means mass and energy exchange from between system and surroundings. So it is about open system of thermodynamics. So open system in thermodynamics. The next class is isolated system in thermodynamics. Please subscribe my channel Chem Class Academy. You will get new classes every day in the form of notifications. Thank you very much.